I bought the Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine so you don't have to waste your money on a machine that doesn't deliver. This thing has been my laundry savior in a tiny apartment, and I want to share my honest experience with you. Let's dive in. Product number 1, Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine. My experience with the Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Portable Mini Washing Machine has been nothing short of transformative. Living in a small apartment means I often struggle with laundry logistics, finding time, space, and the right machine. This little beast changed everything. The first thing I noticed was its impressive 26-pound capacity. The separate washer and spinner allow me to tackle my laundry loads efficiently. I can wash up to 18 pounds of clothes while spinning another 8 pounds at the same time. This feature has saved me hours each week, especially when I'm juggling work and personal commitments. Using the Cuppet is straightforward thanks to its simple operation panel. I remember the first time I used it, I was a bit skeptical about how a compact machine could handle my laundry. I filled it with my clothes, added water, set the timer for 15 minutes, and let it run. When it was done, I was genuinely impressed by how clean my clothes were. The powerful 1300 RPM motor really makes a difference, ensuring that dirt and grime are thoroughly washed away. And the spin cycle? 5 minutes of spinning, and I was left with clothes that were surprisingly dry. Definitely a win. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, this machine is incredibly efficient. It saves time, energy, and space. The dual operation allows for multitasking, which is a game changer for busy individuals. However, it does have some downsides. The noise can be a bit much during the spin cycle, and it's not as quiet as some larger machines. Additionally, it's not ideal for very large loads, so if you have a family with heavy laundry needs, you might want to consider a full-sized washer. So should you buy the Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine? Absolutely! If you're living in a small space and need a reliable washing machine that won't break the bank or take up too much room, this is the one. It's user-friendly, efficient, and has genuinely made my laundry days less stressful. Plus, the satisfaction of knowing my clothes are being cleaned properly is priceless. I wholeheartedly recommend it to anyone in search of a compact washing solution. In conclusion, the Cuppet Compact Twin Tub Washing Machine is a fantastic investment for anyone with limited space. It combines efficiency, ease of use, and impressive cleaning power into one compact package. If you're tired of laundromats or bulky machines, give this one a shot. You won't regret it.